This week, I successfully built a fully automated AI video factory. It wrote the script, it generated the background, it lip-synced the avatar, it even uploaded the video to YouTube completely on its own. And it got 0 views, 0 impressions, nothing. But the craziest part wasn't the YouTube algorithm ignoring my robot. The craziest part was my AI was having a massive identity crisis. If you've been following along, you know that I've been building the Wolf, which is an autonomous AI financial character. But I realized something terrifying this week. The Wolf didn't actually exist yet. Everything I had built was just an illusion. The Wolf was really just my main AI assistant, Dwight, putting on his mask. Because of how I had configured the OpenClaw routing, inbound messages meant for the Wolf bot on Discord were landing directly into Dwight's brain. They were sharing the same memory. When I tried the 3-way conversation between me, Dwight, and the Wolf, it completely broke down. On top of that, the pipeline was choking. My dry runs were hanging indefinitely because the AI was trying to fetch live vision analysis and connect to local LLMs with no timeout guards. I was in what I call the builder's hell, fighting Ollama CPU throttling, looping bugs, and API elements. Before I could fix his brain, I needed to fix his body. The videos were too static, so I wired in a new module. Now the AI reads the live market data, decides if the mood is bullish, bearish, or doomsday, and dynamically creates a custom background. But a static avatar on a dynamic background still looks cheap. Enter Hedra. I wrote a wrapper around the Hedra API, so the AI now takes its own text-to-speech audio, uploads it alongside the avatar image, and generates lip-sync talking videos of its head. Then, Remotion, our rendering engine, automatically overlays this talking head directly into the timeline. And to top it off, I built a YouTube auto uploader. The AI now cleans its own metadata, softens its own clickbait so it doesn't scream market crash on a dip that's 1%, and pushes a final video directly to YouTube, no human required at all. And just like that, the pipeline was beautiful. But the AI was still schizophrenic. To fix this, I had to perform digital brain surgery. I completely isolated their workspaces. I purged the contaminated Discord session keys. I explicitly bound the Wolf Discord account to a dedicated Wolf agent directory. I had changed the cron job so they explicitly target agent Wolf ID. It took 5 weeks of problem solving, but late on March 18th, we finally uncaged the wild animal. The Wolf became a real, separate entity. He has his own memory, his own creative control over the scripts, and his own independent lane. He reports to Dwight, and Dwight reports to me. We officially have a corporate hierarchy, made entirely of code. Which brings us back to the 0 views. The automated shorts pipeline shipped perfectly. YouTube just didn't care. And honestly, that's fine. The Wolf channel is our R&D lab. It's a testing ground to see if we can further push autonomous media generation. The real product and the real story is this. The messy reality, the failures, the moments the code breaks and the AI forgets who it is. The biggest lesson this week, when you're moving this fast, code survives, but the reasoning gets lost. You have to document the why, not just the what. The pipeline is live, the Wolf is autonomous, and next week we're giving him financial autonomy, letting him manage his own API budgets. If you want to see a robot learn how to balance a checkbook, hit subscribe, like the video, and let's come back next week to see how it works.